Hi there. Well, pension, retirement. One of the things that I'm taking from my parents is not to stop working. And my parents are the perfect example for me why it is so important to continue working as long as you can. And not because you don't have enough money, but because it is good. So my mother worked until she was 90 years old, until she was diagnosed with cancer, stage 4. You understand? She was constantly giving to people. And this is a magic. To work with people, physical work, to go out, to meet people, to needed, and to feel that you are giving, that you are part of the society. There is nothing better than this. So my take is to continue work, and of course, even when before you need to retire, of course you need to do only the things that you like, that you love, that you enjoy. And of course, continue doing it once you retire, you get to that age. My father, 88 years old, continuously working. His job on the kibbutz is to work in the gardening. So the beautiful gardening that you see around me, and you saw in other videos, he's taking part in doing it. And by the way, he continued doing it even while my mother was sick, and side by side with helping her as much as he could. So it is unnatural for us not to work. We, human beings, we need to continue working, to contribute, not because we don't have enough money, not because we don't have enough food, of course we should have, but because it is good for our physical and mental health. There is nothing that will keep you healthier than to continue working and doing the things that you love and you like as long as you can. Bye bye.